Pin for Love series? I don't think so, but we're gonna try. This is not Pin for Love, and I'm not gonna open the rest.